Now that's a question. Question on the linear motion, relative speed. The relative speed. So when bodies are moving in the same direction, you are supposed to subtract the individual speeds for you to get the relative speed. When bodies are moving in opposite direction, you are supposed to add the individual speeds of the two bodies. So let's go to that example too. We have a van left Nairobi for Kakamega. So draw a straight line there and say this is Nairobi and this is Kakamega. Kakamega. We have that. At an average speed, so the van left Nairobi at an average speed of 80 kilometers per hour. And then after half an hour, a car left Nairobi. A car left Nairobi at a speed of 100 kilometers per hour. Question A, find the relative speed of the two vehicles. B, how far from Nairobi did the car overtake the van? From Nairobi, the car overtook the van. In the first place, are these two cars moving, or these two vehicles moving in the same direction or opposite direction?
Same direction.
Same direction, correct. So therefore, the relative speed, we give abbreviation as RS, is equal to 100 minus 80. You get 20 kilometers per hour. The relative speed. The relative speed is 20 kilometers per hour. The van left 30 minutes before the car. So therefore, can you calculate the distance that was traveled by the van for half an hour, which is 30 minutes? So this is 30 minutes there, half an hour. Distance is equal to speed times time. Distance equals to speed times time. So the distance covered by the van before the car started will be the speed of the van is 80 kilometers per hour times time, which is times half. In this case, you get 40 kilometers. 40 kilometers. We have already answered question A. The relative speed is 20 kilometers per hour. We are now answering question B. The distance the car traveled in order to catch up with the van from Nairobi. For you to find the distance taken or covered by the car to catch up, the distance in this case, time taken to catch up. Time taken to catch up would be equal to distance apart or relative speed. In this case, the distance apart is the distance covered by the van for 30 minutes, which is 40 kilometers. So you take this is 40 kilometers. Divided by the relative speed. The relative speed of the two vehicles is 20 kilometers per hour. So therefore, the car took 2 hours. The car took 2 hours to overtake the van or to catch up with the van. So distance from Nairobi where they met is the distance covered by the car, because the car had not started. It is the distance covered by the car. So distance from Nairobi will be distance equals to speed times time. Distance equals speed times time. So in this case, take the distance, take the speed of the car. What's the speed of the car? The speed of the car is 100 kilometers per hour. Times the speed times the time taken, which was 2 hours. Kwa hivyo, this was 200 kilometers. So the car traveled for a distance of 200 kilometers to catch up with the van. So that's the distance from Nairobi.